Hello, my name is Michael and I work for the Math Lab, and today we're going to be trying to simplify complex rational expressions with different denominators. And so before we begin, I want to go over how to add together fractions in general. So if we wanted to add together a half and a 1/3, what we would do is we would need the same denominator in order to do it. So what I'm going to do is multiply this 1/3 by 2, because 2 is the denominator of the other one. And then I'm going to multiply both the top and the bottom of the 1/2 by 3, since 3 is the denominator of the other one. The reason why I add together the top and the bottom, the reason why I multiply both the top and the bottom is because 3 over 6 is still equivalent to 1/2. I just have to, 3 over 6 just in simplest form, simplified is 1/2. 2 over 6 simplified is 1/3. So these new fractions that I have are still equivalent to the old ones. I haven't changed anything. So for that reason, this is an okay thing to do in math. And so now that they have the same denominator, though, I can add them together. So 3 plus 2 over 6 is the same thing as 5 over 6, which is the answer to 1/2 plus 1/3. So now I'm going to try to apply that same logic here. And I want to recommend that whenever you have a really big fraction and then on the top 2 smaller fractions, I always suggest adding the fractions on the top together before trying to simplify the big fraction. It'll make your life easier. And so trying to simplify the top first, I'm going to try to add them together in the same denominator. So this is how I would do that. So I would multiply the 1 over x plus 3 times x, since that's the denominator here. And then I would multiply the 1 over x by x plus 3, since that's the denominator over here. Once I've done that, well, I can just multiply the x by the 1, x by the 1, and then the 1 into the x, 1 by the x plus 3. So as a result, I get this. Now I just combine together the x and the x plus 3. I combine like terms, and what I get is 2x plus 3 over x times x plus 3 over 2 over x. And so I'm going to continue this on another slide. So this is what I had before. Now I'm going to use keep, change, flip to simplify this. So I'm going to keep the numerator the same, and then I'm going to change the denominator by flipping it. So this is the result once I've done that. Now I'm going to check for things that I can cancel out on the top and the bottom, and I see an x on the top and the bottom, so I'm going to cancel that out. Now I'm going to multiply everything together. This is the result that I get. I can multiply this 2 in and to get like the fully expanded form, since technically what I have right now is the factored form, and so it would give me this. Both of these are the right answer. They're both equivalent to the right answer, although depending on what you want, you can either go with the factored version or the fully expanded version. So hope that helped. Good luck on your next math exam, everybody.